Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a spring cleaning. Today we're gonna be doing a spring cleaning, and there's a big mess on my bed. But yeah, today I just wanted to do a video and do like spring video, I guess. Like I said, it's gonna be a spring cleaning video. It'll be like a time lapse of what I'm doing. Basically, I'm cleaning my room today because it's a mess. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video of me cleaning. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see next. Now this video is gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be short or long, but this is the mess I have in my room right now, and they're doing construction. That's why I keep looking over there, because I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm pretty sure. I hope you cannot. But yeah, so far I've done the couch and I took all my clothes out. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video of me cleaning, having a hard time putting all these clothes up. But I'll show you in the end what my room ends up looking like. I'm not gonna like move anything around. I'm just gonna clean stuff, and then I'm gonna do like my vanity, and I'm gonna hopefully clean my mirrors, clean my desk, throw out anything that I don't need, you know, spring cleaning, you know, cleaning stuff you don't need. But yeah, and then I'm gonna clean my brushes, throw out any makeup I don't need or use anymore, because girl, there's a lot. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. So I know that my phone has a little bit of storage, so I'm gonna be doing it by clips and then just putting them all together. But first we're gonna start off with my closet. All these clothes I took out, and I'm gonna show y'all the closet. So I'm gonna start getting all the mess and stuff and shoes that I have, and I'll put them over there. I'm so sick. So this is, I made a pile. This is the clothes I'm gonna be giving to my cousins, because like it doesn't fit me, and I know it'll probably fit them, or like oversized. This is clothes I need to put in that cabin. Then this is clothes that I'm gonna give away to my cousins in Mexico, probably, or like probably like donate it, I don't know. And I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing with that jacket. I'll probably put it in the shed for right now. So this is the final result of the room. The closet mainly, the bed is all swept and everything. the floor. So I said I was gonna get rid of makeup. I did like put it together, but it's not done yet. Whoa. So here, like, the door is open. So here, like, the stuff that I'm giving away or throwing out. This doesn't have anymore. This is like, this is old. So what's that? These foundations, they're too thick for me, and I don't really like them. I might give them to my mom. My cousin gave me this, but I don't think I'm gonna use that. And then like, and this setting, it's really just water. And then this, my brother messed up, so yeah, those are like the stuff I'm gonna throw out. I mean, I'm just gonna throw them out mainly. This is how the room looks. So I hope you guys liked this video of me cleaning, and well, I did clean a lot. I got in trouble though. I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.